This is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Samsung phone to a USB drive or even the cloud before you go ahead and factory reset it. So if something's wrong with your phone, very easy to back everything up on your Samsung phone. Let's just go to the top, go to settings and go down to About Phone. Tap this, go down to Reset. Now under Reset we have two different options. So we can back it up using the cloud. So just come here and we have unlimited backup for 30 days. So we can just go to backup all data. And then once we have everything backed up, after we reset our phone, we can go to restore data right there. So depending on your internet speed and how much stuff you have, it could take a while. So that's why having a USB drive just like this with the USB-C adapter to USB. And then I just have this little drive. Now you can use an external drive, a hard drive or something like that. That's like 5 terabytes. And I'm just going to plug this in where it charges. And I can go on down to external storage backup now. And if you have an SD card or something in there, it works so much easier. You can just transfer everything over there. But I can tap on my USB device right now and it's searching for data to back up. So you can back up everything to your USB drive. If you have like 200 or 300 gigabytes of photos or videos, this will probably be easier than using the cloud because that could take, maybe like, I don't know, in 30 to 40 minutes to download everything and upload everything to there. If you have really poor internet, it could take maybe a couple days. I don't know. So look at this as an option. You can see I can back everything up now to that USB device. And then I can go on down to factory data reset right here and just reset my Samsung phone without losing any kind of data. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.